Hello, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here for a little mindful moment to get you ready for learning. This is called our posture prep. So this is a great activity to do to help improve your posture, to get you ready for maybe a big writing assignment, or maybe if you need a break from a lot of sitting and writing. It also helps improve our attitude. So it's kind of good for not only our physical body, but our mental well-being as well. So I think you're going to love it. It is a great activity I do all the time when I'm at my desk for a long time. This comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity card decks. So let's get to it. Let's do posture prep together. So what I like to do before I start posture prep is just kind of get my wiggles out. So maybe you want to stand up and jump up and down for 10 seconds, or maybe you just need to wiggle your legs or wiggle your arms, but just kind of get those wiggles out first. And then we're going to kind of begin to calm our body, coming into our sitting mountain. And remember, in our sitting mountain, my feet are on the floor in front of me. My back is straight. My head is reaching tall. My core is engaged. Good. From sitting mountain, we're going to do a couple of different activities for our posture prep activity. So this is going to do a couple of different things to get our posture improved and kind of energize our body, loosen up our body, just really get us ready for the rest of our learning. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our palms and we're going to hold them together in front of our chest and push them together 10 times, right? So if you'd like, I like to just from here go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So I got that real good, strong push towards both of my palms. So do that 10 times. And then from here, you're going to turn your right palm over and you're going to grasp your fingers in this little motion. And now you're going to try to pull your fingers apart 10 times. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides and do it 10 more times. Let's count down this time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now next, we're going to give ourselves a hug, wrapping your arms around your body, really snugging in tight to your body and squeeze tightly 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. One last final squeeze. Good. All right. Now we're going to reach up high with your right hand and make 10 small circles in one direction and then 10 small circles in the other direction. All right. So let's try that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then switch directions. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now let's switch hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. Now our next one. Now we're going to grasp both sides of our chair. So reach towards the bottom of your seat and pull up 10 times. All right. So pulling up 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right. Come back to your sitting mountain. Now you're going to rest your left arm on your desk and you're going to extend your right leg out to the side. All right. So you can't see my legs, but my right leg is out. My left arm is on my desk. There we go. And then you're going to reach your right arm over your head to the left, all right? So kind of in this motion, good. My right leg is out, my right arm is over my head, and then we're just gonna hold this counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Come out of that. Back to sitting mountain, and we're going to switch sides. So this time, I'm going to rest my right arm on my desk. I'm going to extend my left leg out, and then I'm going to reach my left arm up and over to the right, holding that there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back to sitting mountain, shake it all out. And that was your posture prep. We did all sorts of activities to get you ready for learning. So I hope you are ready for some great learning this afternoon and make it a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time for our next mindful moment with Yoga for Classrooms. Have a great day. Bye-bye.